with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule. We are closing off the weekend with mostly dry conditions. Today, quick pulse of trade winds, but as we step into tomorrow, that may change. Showers, that not really is going to be expecting to change much. Taking a peek tomorrow across the islands, at least by tomorrow afternoon, windward Maui and the Kona coast of Hawaii Island seems to have the greatest likelihood of showers, at least the greatest chance, 30 up to 15% chance. Pretty much elsewhere, isolated showers 10 up to 20, so mostly dry conditions will continue, similar to what we're going to be expecting tonight. Tomorrow, the threat really is just with the fog. Again, the main focus with the next few days ahead of us will really be our makani and the impacts with that or the lack of. Now, for what we have issued, this really is just going to be taking us to tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. High surf advisory for north and west facing shores for some of the islands. Small craft advisory till tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. In terms of these numbers, this current swell has peaked earlier today and will continue to dwindle down. 10 to 14 footers up towards the north, 8 to 12 for the west, 1 to 3 for the south, 2 to 4 for east-facing shores. And box jellyfish, most of them hopefully have swam back down into deeper waters. Now, taking a peek at what's taking place north of the islands, we have this next cold front, and that's what's going to be disrupting our winds. But currently, we actually have this high-pressure system which is fueling these trades. That's going to be nudged out towards the east, and it's going to be pushed off, allowing that next cold front to come through, disrupt our winds. But again, not much showers is expected. But if we take a peek into the future, we have the third cold front that's going to be playing a part, a little more potent than this next one, and that some showers mainly for the west end of the island chain. And it's not necessarily the cold front boundary itself. We're going to keep our eyes on that, but it's moisture that's being pulled up from the south. And that really, again, is going to be mainly impacting the west end of the islands, but that's coming to the second half of this upcoming week, Thursday in particular. For tomorrow, in terms of showers, and Tuesday, what the main thing is going to be is because the light winds during the afternoon, we have the greatest chance of showers for leeward sides and inland areas. For the evening into the early morning hours, the focus will be for windward areas. Now, taking a peek in the days ahead, we are looking to have more humid days, especially Wednesday into the second half of the week, unfortunately. I might as well tell you the bad news now. The good news, though, is drought conditions have improved across the islands. Just 1% of the island chain is under some type of drought condition. Now, the days ahead of us, again, the main thing would be Tuesday with that second cold front. The fog will start to increase with those southerly winds, which look to dominate pretty much the second half of the extended forecast. The haze and fog will become much more a nuisance for the west end of the island chain. Have a blessed week, everybody.